Sometimes you are left with plenty of filament leftovers, or maybe you want to print something huge without the need to switch filaments manually during a running print. The original Prusa XL has the perfect option for both situations. We call it Spool Join. Before you start a print, you can assign multiple spools to a single object using the printer's menu. Simply select the G-code material on the left and then assign multiple physical materials from the menu on the right. Then choose Spool Join and repeat as many times as you like. And you are all set up. Whenever the printer detects the end of the filament, it will automatically switch tools and seamlessly continue exactly where it left off. No user interaction is needed, all filament changes happen fully automatically. This way, you can use up all your filament scraps, or, potentially, print up to a 10 kg object without any interventions.